Hi guys, welcome back to ASAP. So in today's video, we are going to see how to change the Gmail inbox layout. So we can customize the inbox according to the layouts that are present in the Gmail, including the multiple inboxes. So to change the Gmail inbox layout, we have to go into the settings, which is the gear icon here. After clicking on the gear icon settings, we have to scroll down, and here we can see there are various inbox type. So throughout the video, we would be going through each and every type. So the first one is default, then the second one is important first, then unread, state first, priority inbox, and multiple inboxes. So in the default section, if we choose the default section, the inbox will be split up into different tabs like primary, socials, promotions, updates. So whenever we are having the default inbox, our message are automatically sorted into tabs, and we can move the message along the category as and when we want. So if we want to customize the default inbox type, I can just click on customize, and here I can see there are tabs such as primary, promotion, social. If I want to change, so I can just click on that, and I can just add the updates forum as well, and I just have to click on save. So this is the default inbox type that is present in the Gmail. If I want to go to the second type, so I have to click on the setting icon, and here is the important first. So once I'm selecting the important first here, so if we choose the important first, so the inbox will be separated into two actions. The important emails would be at the top, and everything else will be at bottom. So here I can see important mails which are at the top, and everything else here it would be in the bottom. So now the third type is the unread first. So once we select the unread first, the inbox will be separated into two sections, unread at the top and everything else at the bottom. So after selecting on unread first, so whatever unread emails are there, they would be at the top and everything else would be at the bottom. So now the fourth one, which is the state first. So once I'm selecting the state first, the inbox will be separated into two sections, state at the top and everything else at the bottom. So I'm clicking on the start first, and here I can see whatever the emails that are state, they would be at the top, and the unstated would be at the bottom of the inbox. So the next option, it's the priority inbox. In the priority inbox, if we choose the priority inbox option, it would be separated into multiple sections. So we can choose which sections which we want, including the important and unread, state, everything else, or a label that we have made. So we can just customize that priority inbox section. So in here I can see whatever inbox sections I want. So I have to just click on this option. So in inbox, I can just add important and unread. So instead of state, I want the unread option. Instead of the, let's suppose here it's empty, I can just click on more option, and I can add the sent mail, let's suppose. And here in the fourth, I just want everything else, and after going through it, I can just scroll down and click on save changes. So in the priority inbox, as in what we have selected, it would divide it into important and unread, then the unread ones, then all sent mails and everything else. So this is how the priority inbox divides the email section. And the last option is the multiple inboxes. So in the multiple inboxes, you can choose the multiple inbox section where we can add additional sections to our inbox. So we can use search operator as we have saw in the earlier video, and we can also use custom labels to create each section. So we go to multiple inbox section and we click on customize. So as we saw earlier about the search operator and the custom label, we can just add them here: is state, is draft, is important, is unread. And after adding that, we can just scroll down and click on the save changes. So as we have already added that, so we are going to go to the inbox, and after the inbox is loaded here, we can just go to the setting icons and just click on multiple inboxes. So once I selected, I can see according to my search operator in the custom label, so is start, all the start emails would be present here, is drafted, all the drafts would be present here, is important, all the important emails would be present here, and is unread, all the unread emails would be present here, and rest of the inbox can be seen at the bottom. So this is how we can change the Gmail inbox layout according to the different type that are present there. So thank you guys. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Till then, just subscribe to our channel, and thank you.